Imagine finishing a project on time, within budget and within scope, but you discover the product is not being used, customers are dissatisfied, or technology is already outdated. That's why evaluation is more than checking whether we meet deadlines and budgets. It's about assessing the true value of a project. In this class, we will discuss two methods of assessing a project: audit and evaluation. Audit is formal, independent, usually performed at the end and focuses on compliance and accountability. Audits are typically driven by senior management. Evaluation, in contrast, is frequent, project-focused, and performed by a project manager. The goal is to assess if the project actually delivering value or not. This slide shows that project success is not one-dimensional. It should be measured across 5 areas. Was the project done efficiently? Did it meet scope objectives and finished on time? Was the customer happy? Did they interact well with you and your company? Did the team grow professionally? Was this project a business success as planned profits? Have this project advanced technology and intellectual property of the company? Considering the horizontal axis, the immediate goal is efficiency. Customer satisfaction is next. And business and future benefits unfold for a longer horizon. Success must be assessed in the 5 dimensions shown in the first slide, but also evaluated in the time horizon of reference. Another type of project evaluation is based on the core characteristics of the project. Aaron Snehar and colleagues considered 4 dimensions: novelty as measure of innovation, technology, complexity of system scope and organizational challenges, and pace related to urgency of delivery. We use the acronym NTCP to denote these 4 dimensions. A spider diagram visualizes these 4 dimensions. As an example, a defense project of high complexity should be evaluated very differently than a consumer app of high novelty and fast pace. As a project manager, you will be asked to conduct a project evaluation. This could be your own project or someone else's project. You will do this objectively by asking questions to team members and the other stakeholders. Were project objectives clear and communicated? Was customer engaged in critical decisions about scope changes? Were risks anticipated and managed? And here is a human tip to conduct evaluations. Technical people love to talk about their projects. A good evaluator listens actively, builds trust, and transforms evaluation into a learning experience, not interrogation. Evaluations measure value, not just compliance. Project success is not simply a yes or no answer. More than one dimension, and the time horizon needs to be considered.